Have you ever wondered the value system in Islamic civilization? The Islamic civilization stands on a powerful value system shaped by faith, integrity, and compassion. Rooted in the Tawheed, strengthened by Ihsan, and guided by knowledge, justice, and community care, it built a legacy that uplifts humanity. But how can these timeless values inspire us today? Here are the examples of value system in Islamic civilization. Integration. Integration allows people from different backgrounds to connect and support one another. It creates a space where everyone feels included, valued, and able to grow. Through shared experiences, integration builds unity, strengthens relationships, and encourages teamwork within a diverse community. Humanitarianism. Humanitarianism is shown through genuine kindness and compassion towards those in need. It involves helping each other without expecting anything in return. These small but meaningful actions bring hope, reduce hardship, and strengthen the sense of care and responsibility within a community. Globalism. Globalism expands connection between different cultures, nations, and communities. It helps people understand new perspectives and appreciate global diversity. By encouraging collaboration and shared learning, globalism opens opportunities for growth and creates awareness of worldwide challenges and solutions. Participation and cooperation. Participation and cooperation strengthen teamwork by involving everyone in shared tasks. When people contribute their ideas and efforts, goals become easier to reach. These values build trust, encourage unity, and help groups to work effectively toward common objectives in a positive environment. Justice and equity. Justice and equity ensure fair treatment and equal opportunities for all. They guide people to make respectful decisions and address challenges with understanding. By recognizing different needs, equity supports balance, while justice helps maintain harmony and trust within a community. Enthusiasm towards knowledge. Enthusiasm towards knowledge motivates people to learn, explore, and improve. It creates curiosity that leads to deeper understanding and personal growth. When individuals value knowledge, they become more confident, skilled, and ready to face new challenges and opportunities. Peace and love. Peace and love create harmony by encouraging kindness, patience, and respect. They help reduce conflict and build meaningful relationships. When these values are practiced, communities grow stronger, people feel safe, and the environment becomes warm and supportive for everyone. Eradication of poverty. Islam emphasizes charity, justice, and economic balance to ensure everyone's basic needs are met. Systems like zakat and community support help reduce inequality and uplift the poor. Ruling of law. Islamic civilization upholds justice through fair, transparent laws that protect rights and prevent oppression. Everyone is equal before the law, ensuring a stable and ethical society. Human dignity. Every individual is honored as a creation of Allah. Islam protects dignity by promoting respect, fairness, and compassion, regardless of background, race, or social status. Human responsibility. People are accountable for their choices. Islam teaches responsibility toward oneself, others, and the environment by encouraging ethical behavior, honesty, and fulfilling duties. Strengthening the family foundation. Families are the core of society. Islam promotes strong family ties through mutual respect, love, and shared responsibilities to create a peaceful, stable environment. The government. Islamic governance requires leaders to be trustworthy, just, and focus on public welfare. A good government ensures fairness, protects rights, and implements policies that benefit society. The education. Education is highly valued in Islam. It develops character, strengthens faith and equips individuals with knowledge to contribute positively to their community and civilization. So, what is the purpose of the values in Islamic civilization? The values of Islamic civilization shine as a timeless compass, uniting faith, compassion, justice, and wisdom. When we embody these principles, our lives gain purpose, our communities grow stronger, and the true beauty of Islam flourishes in everything we do. Wallahu alam bisawab.